Molweniiiii Bantase. You understand? I am the one, the only KweenKhiwe herself, and today we have a new video. Well, it's the first video of the year, so let me not get too excited. I mean, I am excited, essentially. Do back, kind of, sort of. Yeah, I understand. Thanks. Okay, wait. Let me turn like to my notes and stuff, cause I wrote notes. I'm serious, Glonyak. I'm serious. I'm just letting you know. Anyway, kindly follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at KweenKhiwe. And yeah, let's. Oh, please subscribe as well. Yeah. Also, sure. Hey, I tried to look cute for the cam today, but the heat is just not allowing. Can I tell you a quick story? Just one, two. Before I got to the place where I am right now, I just had a cry. Why? Because one, my cell phone's microphone is jacked up, so now you can't hear me when I make a video on my phone, meaning I might have crappy quality. I'm not sure. Secondly, my phone disappointed me. Thirdly, I had to do some things with the ring light because now I didn't have a place to put my ring light. If you would see my setup right now, unganhleka. Kodwa ke akhona ibithena khondo akunani, you know, dilapha ngoku ndibilile. Yo, wow, ingathi sesibugweni. Senje manje understand ubana andizongena ezulwini, but come on, really now. Anyway, how have you guys been? How was your festive season? It was beautiful. Was it lovely? Mine was okay. Yeah, it was nice. It was cute. Okay, point number 1, greeted. Point number 2, why I disappeared. Okay, I'm gonna address this with the Makujo side and the actual content, you know. Let me start with the content side. I did not have any sort of content to give you guys. Right, you know, so I didn't want to put that energy out into the world. You know, there's already enough bad in the world. No. Secondly, I didn't have a place to shoot, you know. I mean, I had a place to shoot, but then I just didn't feel like it. And when I was shame. One thing about me, I will not force the unforceable. Did I? Okay. And we move over to the Guido side. You guys are gonna laugh at me. Please don't laugh because it's a serious matter, and the answer is I didn't tell it. It might not seem that serious to you, but it's pretty serious to me. You know, I don't have earphones. I don't have earphones, and the earphones that I need, they have to be the Apple ones. Otherwise, I'm just not gonna get the quality that I need. If you listen to my Makujos, whenever I would record, you would literally hear the slightest thing, just a whiff of wind, just a quick burp, you would hear it. You would hear everything. My low notes, my crappy low notes, you know, and my not so great high notes, you know. You would hear everything when I was recording and like uploading my videos. Now I don't have earphones, I don't have headphones. I had AirPods, but then they decided that they're not gonna work for the videos and for any recording of any sort. So yeah, that's why I disappeared. And then I tried to bring it back with the Inception. Mara, that didn't work out because you guys seemingly you love the raw content, and I'm going to give you the raw content as soon as I get the earphones. Yo, aziduri earphones ka-Apple. Yo, ayisuka. I-Converse. Kunophuma i-Converse ngemali ye-earphones zika-Apple. Like, I'm right. Oh, just get that. Having an Apple phone is a lifestyle. You don't just jump into this like no. We plan strategically. You know? Or you have to work your ass off, which is what I'm intending to do. Point number 3. Point number 3. What is to come? Okay, so I'm going to be vlogging more, but I'm going to be vlogging my life, basically, you know. Obviously, some things I'm going to keep private because I still would like to have a private life. Thank you very much. But yeah, I'm going to Yes, I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to be giving you guys reviews with and I'm going to give you hair content. Oh, I did these myself, and then my friend helped me part at the back. I know, beautiful, right? I know. So I'm going to be giving you hair content, product reviews. I might stick to hair product reviews because I know more about hair than I do about skin, but I am going to give you some reviews about skin. I mean, there's a sunscreen video that I just shot, so that's going to drop most probably 2 weeks after this video, or a month, I don't know. But yeah, yeah, another thing, point number 4, posting schedule. I will be, hopefully, I'm really hoping and praying that things go really well. I'm going to be uploading just like the last time, every 2 weeks, or whenever I can. But there will be an upload. There will be at least 2 uploads ngenyanga, whether it be kujo content or actual vlogs and stuff. I don't like sit down videos, to be honest, but I mean, I will also be doing challenges with my friends, get ready with me's and all of that jazz. So yeah, that's what's coming up, and that's the posting schedule. But again, follow me on Instagram to find out more, you know. And okay, to that point. And lastly, I would like to say thank you. I know. I know. Like, I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed, shared, commented. I see your comments, although I don't like them and stuff. But I'm sorry. But I see them and I appreciate them. And I will get back to some of you guys' requests. I definitely will. If I haven't gotten back to them now, you know. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I would not have the lists and the motivation to, well, that's motivation, man. What the hell, Kiwe? I wouldn't have the motivation to get back onto the recording Makujo's mode, like raw from my phone straight to you guys, you know. Appreciate everyone so much. And man, I love you. You know. And I know you hear this a lot from you YouTubers, but honestly, I would not be here without you guys. So yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. Valentine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lolu. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? Okay, I'm sorry. I love you very much. I have been the one, the only KweenKhiwe herself. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at KWGMusicZA. Kilibrata. Alright. Bye-bye.